There are a lot of reasons someone might walk through your door. But the most important? Clean air. That's right. More than anything, people want to know the air they're breathing is safe. That's why at Flooring America, we created Neutralize Pro, our proprietary system that helps kill viruses and eliminate allergens, dust, mildew, and mold from surfaces, ultimately giving you cleaner air. Here's how Neutralize Pro works as part of any commercial flooring installation. First, our certified technicians HEPA vacuum the subfloor. With an optional upgrade, next we ionize your air, scrubbing it to within 0.3 microns. Before we install your new floors, we apply an antimicrobial coating to the subfloor, which eliminates dust mites and allergens and creates a shield against mold, mildew, and bacteria. Then we meticulously install your beautiful new floors. We perform a final HEPA vacuum cleaning and finish by applying our disinfectant that kills 99.9% of all viruses within minutes, including COVID-19. Choose our maintenance program and we'll also do routine treatments for added peace of mind. So when someone walks through your door, give them what they want. Neutralize Pro. Trust in your air by Flooring America.